I saw that Aaron turned your comment ideas into slime. I looked through the comments in that video and I saw some really good ones. So buckle up, because today we're making your comment ideas into slime. Okay, let's see what we have first. We have a comment from Morgan Elise Stewart 3719, and she wants us to make a Mossy River inspired slime. It looks like it's a clear slime with cloud dough in there. This slime is also gonna have sticks in it. I love that. So let's get our bases and start dyeing our slime. There is nothing that I love more than adding the earth's natural elements into slime. So I think I'm gonna go on a little walk and get some sticks, because she does want us to add some nice little sticks into this slime. Right now, I'm dyeing it a nice earthy green. We gotta get that rich mossy green color. I absolutely love moss. Every time that I take a walk and I stare at the moss, I always wanna touch it because it feels so nice and soft, and I know that fairies live within the moss. Okay, so Morgan did say that she wants it to be like a river with moss on it. So we have our little clear slime right here. What she wants is to add like little bits of cloud inside of it to make it look like the moss in the river. I think that's a brilliant idea. So cool and super unique. Looks a bit strange, but I think it's gonna look awesome. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I think that looks sort of realistic. Looks like moss. I've never seen a slime like this before, so this is very unique. I really like it. Let's add a bit more moss at the top right here. It's like a little garden. Now, we need to add some sticks. I don't have sticks. Looks like we're gonna have to go outside. Okay, I'm outside right now. Let's go find some sticks. I love being outside. Nothing like a good little walk to go find sticks. But there's a problem. I don't see any sticks, just a bunch of rocks and grass. And bluebonnets. Oh my gosh, it's bluebonnet season? You know, she did say she wanted some flowers, so why not? I'm gonna grab one of these. Oh, it looks like there are some little sticks right here. That's perfect. Bunch of little sticks. I just got back from a nice little walk, and here's what I found. We found a nice selection of sticks, all shapes and sizes. So let's add them on our slime as if it were like a little nature throne. Maybe there's one just sitting like that. This one is gonna be buried inside of the river. I also found a bluebonnet. So let's add it right here on top of this little patch of moss. And I also have something super awesome. Check this out. We have some little clay moss creature things. I don't even know what these are. They look like they belong in the movie Shrek for sure. Dan says that this looks like a shag pillow. I've never seen one of those, but you know, maybe it's Shrek's pillow. Let's add it on our slime. I'm gonna add one right here. And then I also have a nice little variety of mushrooms, because of course, you know, by the lake and by all of the fairies, there are some nice little mushrooms. Morgan, your slime looks amazing. I love that it has some of the earth's natural elements in there. We have some moss. I really want to squish it. I want to squish it so bad. Morgan, for your satisfaction, I'm gonna squish your slime. Ooh. Oh yeah, get that blue bonnet in there. Dude, what a good invention. Like the clear with the cloud dough. Look at that. And then you can see like all of the sticks through it and the flowers. Not to mention, clear and cloud dough becomes a really nice, soft texture. Great for bubble pops. This is a great slime. Thank you for your idea, Morgan. Now, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this next idea is some sort of sunshine slime. Okay, so I'm thinking summer, all things happy and colorful, right? That's like what summer's about. This person, this user, really long name, wants us to make a yellow slime with a few charms, and one of them being sunglasses. I wish we had sunglasses charms, but I'm gonna find some really good summer themed charms, don't worry. And they want this slime to lift up people's spirits. That is so wholesome, so let's get started on this slime. So they wanted me to choose whichever texture I wanted. I went with bingsu because, you know, bingsu is really fun, it's crunchy, it's a very happy texture. So let's dye our slime a nice yellow color. I want this slime to scream sunshine. So I have a really fun little idea for the pattern here. I'm gonna separate some of this slime and dye it a really bright golden yellow. This is gonna be like our golden hour. And I kind of want to create like a little sun just to get a little artsy with it. Okay, I love this color. And now for this slime, this is gonna be the core. This is like the center of the sun. You know, summer is coming up. I am so excited. I'm tired of the cloudy days. I just wanna swim in a pool, swim in the river. I just wanna be outside, you know? So I'm super excited for summertime. Okay, check this out. So I'm gonna add the base inside of our container, and then we're gonna make a little sun, like a little sun patch. It kind of looks like an egg. Here is the center. And this is a very happy, groovy sun. So I'm gonna make some nice little waves on the side. Oh, that looks awesome. Look at my little sun. All right, now we need to go to Charmville and find some summery themed charms. Let's go. When I think of the summertime, I think of the ocean and honestly, my childhood. My aunt lived by the ocean for like a couple of years and I would always visit her and spend most of my summers just hanging out by the beach. It was the best. We need to find something that captures those memories. Ooh, I like this one. It's like a little sun with a cloud. It's kind of like, you know, the cloudy days are leaving. It's a brand new season, so I love that. Oh my God, we also have a smiley sun. This has to scream sunshine. I wonder if we have any like surf-themed charms. Oh, you know what? A rubber ducky. This is literally me by the beach. Okay, we have a nice selection of yellow things. We gotta add more color. Oh, you know what? This sprinkle mix is literally called Golden Hour. So I'm gonna scoop some of that in there. It also has some pink. It'll give it a pop of color. I wish we had sunglasses. That would have been perfect. But anyways, we have a good little amount of summer-themed charms. So let's go assemble our slime. Okay, we're back from Charmville. Let's see what we got here. We have two suns. This one is one happy dude. Okay, I just got back and I swear this sun looks really strange. It's kind of like a deflated jellyfish. I don't even know. But you know what? The center of this weird sea creature is gonna be our happy sun. And then back here is like the clouds just starting to disappear. Brighter days are coming your way. And this is me by the beach surfing. Ooh, oh no. And then let's add our little sprinkles. I like the little pink flowers, some nice little clouds. This is honestly screaming summer. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is your beautiful summertime slime. Now let's squish it up and see if it brightens up my day. Ooh, you know I love a good bingsu. I love the good crunch. Hey, it did make me smile, so that counts. Honestly, thank you, user 67214. You brightened up my day. I absolutely love this slime, but now it's time to move on to the next one. Okay, this next idea is from Corinne Johnson Nerm. So this is gonna be a jelly cube texture, and the theme is like, it looks like it's like a blue axolotl and raspberries. Okay, I have an idea of what we can do. Let's get our jelly cubes. All right, Nerm, you wanted a jelly cube texture, right? It's a very special day because I'm busting out a different type of jelly cube. We have jelly cube hearts. Isn't that cool? And then what I love about jelly cubes is this magic. Oh yeah. Ultimate pops. This is gonna be kind of like inspired by an acai bowl, okay? But our toppings are gonna be axolotl. So let's just mix our slime a bit, get that dye in there. Okay, our base is ready. I love how the hearts are like peeking through the slime. Looks so pretty. I think this is giving blue raspberry, but now we need to find the perfect axolotls for the slime. It's time to teleport to Charmville. Ah! What the heck? Where's my chair? I don't know why this is happening. Sometimes my chair appears, sometimes it doesn't. But anyways, we need to find some blue raspberry axolotl charms, right? I have the perfect axolotls for this. Here they are. Okay, so we're creating a little blue raspberry smoothie, right? So first, let's sprinkle some of these cute little stars. And now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create the ultimate raspberry feast. Here in the center is where all of our raspberries are gonna be nicely assembled for our axolotls. I picture these axolotls being very hungry and ready to feast on some raspberries. Either that or they're like worshiping the raspberries. All right, I've never seen a slime like this before. This is definitely a silly idea, but I really love it. I love how we incorporated the raspberries and the axolotls in there and we created a masterpiece. Comment down below if you think we should sell this slime in the shop. And now let's give it a good squish. All the axolotls are like poking me. Here, let's set those aside. Maybe we can sell this slime with just one axolotl. I feel like 10 is too much, but it does feel really cool, and I love the little jelly cubes. This one is a 10 out of 10, and I'm so excited to see the next one. All right, this next slime is from Gaur Kadri Nazan. These names are getting crazier and crazier. Okay, but they want a clear slime. It's gonna be turquoise, my favorite color. Love that. And it's beach themed. Dude, I love the beach. What a good idea. All right, let's get our texture. I love a good clear slime, especially when it's turquoise. This slime is going to resemble the nice ocean and the beaches of Mexico because that's where I've spent most of my time, at the beach. I also love how clear slimes, when you add some watercolor, they just look so bright. You can really like see everything. So once we add the charms, it's gonna look super awesome. And this literally looks like the ocean. Now we need to find some starfish, some little shells and things like that. So let's take a little trip to Charmville. Okay, so we're going for a beach theme and you wanted shells and starfish. So here we have some nice little starfish, perfect for your idea. Also, I have the perfect shells. Oh my gosh, check this out. Look at how beautiful those are. I love how shiny they look. So let's add a couple of those. And then I really like this sprinkle mix right here because it has like little bubbles and shells. Super nice, very on theme. And also when I think of the beach, you know, we were talking about this before, but you know, I spent a lot of time hanging out by the beach at my aunt's house in Mexico, and something big that we would do there every summer was release baby sea turtles out into the ocean and, you know, just get them out there safely when they would hatch. So I really think it's just such a wholesome memory, and I want to add a little sea turtle just to represent that part of my childhood, because whenever I think of the beach, I think of those good times. Okay, we have a really nice variety of beach themed charms, but there's one last thing that I want to do, and for this we have to be sneaky. Let's go. I'm going out into the wild where all of the slimes live. Let's grab one of these little sand that goes with our pearl diver. I'm totally stealing this right now, so we have to be extra sneaky. Let's go assemble our slime. Okay, we have our little sand slime that I totally stole from the warehouse, but you know what? I don't regret it. I think this right here will make the ultimate beach slime. I love this sand slime. It smells so good. It smells like a tropical ocean breeze. But let's add it to our slime. You know, we're going for the pearl diver vibe. Speaking of pearl diver, here we have pearl diver. This is my favorite slime in the shop right now because it's such a fun slime to assemble. You add the little sand, the little kelp, and then all of the little pearls. And then once you squish it all together, it's such a beautiful, fun, interactive texture. You can get this slime in the shop right now at peachybbies.com. And just like this one, we have a ton of other really fun slimes, so make sure to go check them out. Oh yeah, look at those waves. This is such a gnarly slime. It's making me want to drop everything and go catch a wave right now. Okay, but we need to add our little seashells. Here we have the nice little starfish. Ooh, I love that. With the blue, what a vibe. We have our clams and our beautiful little sea turtle that just hatched. He is making his way into the ocean. He is safe and he's gonna live a really good life out there. Let's add some of these little bubbles, and there we have it. What a beautiful slime. I think this one is absolutely gorgeous. Now, my favorite part about the slime is squishing the clear with the sand. Oh my gosh, it's gonna create an awesome texture. Ready? This right here is so satisfying. Another perfect slime. Love the color of it too. It's like a nice minty shade. But yeah, what a great idea. Thank you so much for that wonderful comment. And now let's see what our next comment is. All right, this comment is from Tassinaraman9548. All right, so their idea is a texture of my choice. Okay, pretty cool. And they want it to be like a nice pastel pink color and themed after strawberry llamas. Dude, that is such a fun idea. Let's get our base ready. For the base, I went for a snow fizz because I really love this texture. It's extremely crunchy and it's gonna look super nice with this pink color. You guys are so creative with your ideas, like strawberry llama. I wouldn't think of that. That is so cool. I'm thinking for this slime, we're gonna make it look like a little llama party. Maybe all of the llamas are dancing around, eating strawberries. I don't know, something like that will be really cute. One of the first slimes that I ever designed here at Peachybbies, back when I used to design some of the slimes, was called Llamas in Space. And it was such a cool space-themed slime with a bunch of llamas on it. And it's kind of reminding me of that one. But we have a beautiful pink slime. It kind of looks like an ice cream scoop. And now it's time to go get our llamas. Let's go. Okay, we're here at the fruit aisle in Charmville. And what's cool about this is that we have a large variety of strawberries. We got squishy strawberries, regular strawberries, kawaii strawberries, and these little other kawaii looking cartoonish strawberries. Honestly, let's grab one of each. Okay, now we need our pink llamas. I found them, they're back here. I'm gonna do like 3 of them, a happy trio. And now I remember there's this sprinkle mix that I really like that has like strawberries in it. Ooh, here it is. This one has a ton little strawberries. It also has bunnies in it. But you know what? They're also guests at this party. But I also really like some of this like glitter. I like that it's really shiny. That'll look really nice paired with this sprinkle mix. Okay, let's get this party started. Let's assemble our slime. Okay, for this slime, I kind of want it to look like strawberry ice cream. So let's add our little base and then make some really cute little scoops. So, you know, at this llama party, everybody's having strawberries, strawberry ice cream, anything strawberry related you can think of is at this party. Here we have all of our little sprinkles. I love these giant strawberries. That's looking really pretty so far. What I really like about this slime is that we captured strawberries in every form. So we have this tiny, realistic looking strawberry. These kind of look like they're straight out of a cartoon, and this really nice one. This one right here is my favorite. And of course, our llamas. They're the guests at this party. They're dancing. This one's upside down. He's having too much fun. And this is the host. He created a really fun party. This right here is such an awesome slime. It's so vibrant, and I love all of the little details that it has. It's such a great idea. I'm so excited to play with this slime. I know that it's gonna be super crunchy. What a fun idea. I honestly really like the theme of this slime. They all had such great themes. I love making your comment ideas, and if you have a good idea, leave it in the comments down below. Bye!